Hello, everyone. Today is a special day because we're not just learning English. We're talking about something very important, how to start speaking English confidently.
Hi, everyone. I'm Tom. Yes, today we're not focusing on perfect grammar or big words. We're focusing on confidence, speaking without fear, speaking even when your English is simple.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like this episode, and share it with someone who wants to speak English with more confidence. Your support really helps.
And remember, your efforts will pay off. Confidence does not come in one day, but it grows every time you practice.
So let's start with a big question. Why is speaking English scary for many learners?
Because people are afraid of making mistakes. They think mistakes are bad.
But mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are part of learning.
Exactly. Babies make mistakes when they learn to speak, and they don't feel embarrassed.
That's true. Babies don't say, "Oh no, my grammar is wrong."
They just speak, and that's what we want you to do.
The first step to speaking confidently is accepting that your English does not need to be perfect.
Yes, perfect English is not the goal. Clear English is the goal.
People understand you even if your sentence is simple.
For example, you don't need to say, "I would like to inquire about the possibility of obtaining a coffee,"
You can just say, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
and everyone understands.
So let's talk about confidence. Confidence is not about knowing everything
Confidence is about trying
and trying again.
and not stopping because of fear.
Let's imagine a simple situation. You meet someone and want to say hello.
Many learners think too much. They think, is hello correct? Is hi better? What if I say it wrong?
But you can just say hi.
Or hello.
That's it. Speaking starts with small steps.
Now let's talk about your inner voice. That voice that says, my English is bad.
We need to change that voice.
Instead of, my English is bad, say, my English is improving.
That one sentence can change everything.
Because your brain listens to you.
If you say negative things, your confidence goes down.
If you say positive things, your confidence grows.
Let's practice positive sentences together.
Okay,
I am learning English.
I am improving.
I can speak English.
I don't need perfect English.
Very good.
Another big problem is thinking in your native language and translating.
Yes, that makes speaking slow and stressful.
To speak confidently, you need to think in simple English.
Start with short thoughts.
For example, instead of thinking, what is the correct way to say this?
Think, simple is okay.
If you want to say you are tired, just say, I'm tired.
You don't need more.
Now let's talk about vocabulary. Many learners think they need a lot of words.
But you don't.
You need basic words, and you need to use them well.
Words like go, do, make, like, want, need, have.
These words are powerful.
With simple words, you can say many things.
For example, I want coffee.
I need help.
I like this.
I don't like that.
That's real communication.
Now let's talk about pronunciation.
Many learners are afraid because of their accent.
But having an accent is normal.
Everyone has an accent.
Accent does not mean bad English.
Accent means you speak more than one language.
And that's something to be proud of.
The goal is not perfect pronunciation.
The goal is being understood.
If people understand you, you are doing great.
Let's talk about a very important habit. Speaking every day.
Even for 1 minute.
Yes, 1 minute is enough.
You can speak to yourself.
You can describe your day.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I drink coffee.
I go to work.
That's practice.
And practice builds confidence.
Another great way to practice is repeating simple sentences out loud.
Not in your head, out loud.
Your mouth needs practice too.
Speaking is physical.
Let's practice together.
Okay.
I am learning English.
I am not afraid to speak.
I can make mistakes.
Mistakes help me learn.
Excellent.
Now let's talk about conversations.
Many learners think they need long sentences.
But conversations are often short.
Very short?
For example, hi,
Hi.
how are you?
Good. And you?
Good.
That's a conversation.
And that's enough.
You don't need more.
Confidence comes from knowing that simple answers are okay.
Now let's talk about listening.
Listening helps speaking.
When you listen a lot, you copy naturally.
You learn rhythm.
You learn common phrases.
And when you speak, those phrases come out automatically.
That's why listening is very important.
Now let's talk about fear. Fear of people judging you.
This fear is very common.
But here's the truth.
Most people are not judging you
They are thinking about themselves.
or about what they will eat later.
Exactly.
People usually appreciate when someone tries to speak their language.
And if someone corrects you, it's usually to help.
Correction is not a problem.
It's a gift.
Let's talk about confidence in real situations.
For example, ordering food.
You don't need a perfect sentence,
You can say, pizza, please.
and that works.
Or, can I have pizza?
Both are okay.
Now let's talk about asking questions.
Asking questions helps conversations continue.
And questions can be very simple.
Where are you from?
What do you do?
Do you like it?
These questions are easy and powerful.
If you don't understand something, ask.
Sorry?
Can you repeat?
I don't understand.
These sentences are your friends.
Never be afraid to use them.
Now let's talk about mindset.
If you think I can't speak English, you won't speak.
If you think, I can try, you will speak.
Confidence starts in your head.
Let's practice changing negative thoughts.
Okay,
Instead of, my English is bad, say, my English is getting better.
instead of I'm afraid, say I'm learning.
Instead of, I can't speak, say, I can speak a little.
A little is enough.
Now let's talk about comparison.
Don't compare yourself to others.
Everyone has a different journey.
Some people start earlier.
Some people practice more.
Focus on your progress.
You understand more today than before.
You speak more today than before.
That's success.
Let's talk about confidence tricks.
Smile inside, not with your face.
Relax your shoulders.
Breathe.
Speak slowly.
Speaking slowly helps confidence.
Silence is okay.
You don't need to fill every second.
Take your time.
Now let's practice a confident conversation.
Okay.
Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
Good. And you?
Good.
What do you do?
I work in an office.
Nice.
That's it.
Simple and confident.
Now let's talk about daily practice.
You don't need hours.
You need consistency.
5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
Make English part of your routine.
Talk to yourself while cooking.
Describe what you see.
I cut vegetables.
I cook dinner.
That's practice.
Now let's talk about encouragement.
You are brave for learning a new language.
You are brave for speaking.
And you are improving, even when you don't feel it.
Your confidence will grow.
Step by step.
Sentence by sentence.
Conversation by conversation.
Before we finish, don't forget to subscribe, like this episode, and share it with someone who wants to speak English confidently.
And tell us in the comments, what makes you afraid to speak English?
Or what helps you feel confident?
We love reading your comments.
Thank you for listening today.
Keep practicing
Keep speaking.
and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.